again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm so sorry firstly that this video is so late, but bit of a blessing in disguise for those of you that was entering literally late last night. I had a couple of entries, good for them, but not so good for those of you that have been eager to find out who the winners are. So there's going to be two winners, one for the September main posh box and one for the September mini box. This was open to everybody. I did ask you to check the countries. There was a list of countries. This is everybody that they shipped to. I did ask you to check if your country wasn't on that list, add something to your basket and see if they ship to you. If they do ship to you from the website, then you could enter. And there was a couple of rules because Colorfuljuly sponsored it. They asked that you followed them on Instagram and left a comment. That was it. That was all the rules. And obviously you had to be subscribed. Excuse me, you had to be subscribed to my channel. So I will be checking that the two winners have followed those two little rules. And if not, I will pick more winners. So if your name doesn't get pulled out, keep an eye out, guys. I might have to redraw it. So let's get on with it. I found a new comment picker. I've just been having a little play around. If any of you saw the last giveaway I did, I hated the comment picker. It was just boring and it didn't show anybody's names and stuff like that. So I've just been having a little play around and I found another one that I quite like. So I'm just going to put I've already got the link. Yeah, right, load comments. Yeah, this comment picker's a lot better. Gives you a little countdown, a little bit of confetti. I like that. Right, so I'm going to exclude duplicates just for anybody that's commented 2 or 3 times and tried to get a sneaky couple of extra entries. No, that's not going to work. And I asked you to write enter me. And that is it. Let me get rid of these adverts. Confirm. Right, so this first one is for the September posh box. Good luck, everybody. Look at this, I like it. Jennifer Scoville, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Congratulations, you have won. Jennifer Scoville, you've won the September posh box. Look at all the confetti, see, I like this. So we need to pick another winner for the mini box. How do I go back? Oh, I hope I don't have to do all that again. Go back. Oh, I have to do it again. Sorry, guys. Oh, so you can't just pick another winner? That's not great. Right, let's just do it again. I don't like editing this stuff out and pausing it on giveaways because people think you're fixing it and stuff. So you're just going to have to sit with me while this loads up. Exclude duplicate users, yes. Enter me. Right, let's go. Right, good luck. So this is for the mini box. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Julie, enter me. Congratulations, Julie. I've got my sister-in-law is called Julie. So I will be checking that both of these people have followed the rules. The best way to get hold of me, all my contact details are in my description box. Instagram, Messenger, email. And yeah, keep your eye out, guys. If any of these two haven't followed the rules, then I will pick new winners. Lots of giveaways to come, so stay subscribed. And if you're not subscribed already, get subscribing. Massive thank you to Colorfuljuly for sponsoring the video. I think that was really kind and generous. Lots more giveaways to come, so yeah, keep your eye on my channel. Another apology, guys, my upload schedule is all over the place at the minute. I have had to take quite a few days off here and there, but I think I'm at a point now where I can get stuck back in again and get back into my usual upload routine. So I do apologise for that. Thank you for everybody that stuck around and supports my channel and watches my videos. It means the world to me. I love what I do. I love every single one of yous. I think you're all fantastic. And why yous watch me, I have no clue, because I'm a complete divvy. That's probably why. You don't come across many divvies like me in this world. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, because you won't get included in the giveaways if you're not subscribed. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.